Hey, Ryan here from Interactive Garage. By now you've probably heard about the great partnership announcement with Keystone, Automotive Operations, the warehouse, and Interactive Garage. It hit the wire yesterday, October 24th, and already getting a lot of phone calls and emails from our licensees. So really this video is to our current Interactive Garage licensees and why this partnership with Keystone is going to benefit you in a way of time. And not only features, additional features from Keystone, but let's just go into the time side of it, right? So the admin from Interactive Garage, we know it's a huge bone of contention for a lot of you, elephant in the room, everything that you want to say about it. There's so much customization within our admin side, you know, the manufacturers, the vehicles, and then really the individual products. So there's two of those main pieces that we are going to help eliminate a lot of clicks and a lot of time that you're going to spend in your admin that I want to go over with you. So I'm going to transition over to a screen share. So this is one of our admins, and what you're going to see right away is a little icon, this Keystone Interactive Garage icon. What this indicates is that this manufacturer and all these manufacturers with that icon on it, they are carried by Keystone. So let's just jump into this one, Addictive Desert Designs. So 269 of our 270 products are carried by Keystone. We have two that are custom priced. I'm going to go into all of that. But one of the key pieces right off the bat is this enable or disable. So automatic new product enable for manufacturers. So anytime going forward that a product from Addictive Desert Designs is added by Interactive Garage, if this is toggled to enable and hit save, every time a new product is added, it'll automatically be enabled. So you don't have to go into your admin anymore, and every time we tell you that there's a new product from ADD added, you don't have to turn it back on. It's automatically going to go there. So let's take this example of Air Design, right? Air Design is carried by Keystone. So what you can do is say, enable this manufacturer and make sure that it is toggled over to enable. You hit save, and now this X will change to a check mark. And now every product from this manufacturer is going to be turned on, enabled live on your program going forward. Products like, you know, or manufacturers, you know, that aren't carried by Keystone, you know, let's say we'll go down to a popular one, you know, BDS. You're still going to have to go into BDS, and if you want this always enabled, you're going to have to click it. BDS is not carried by Keystone, but, you know, so you're still going to have to do that for them. Let's go into individual products and show you a couple pieces, right? So right now in your individual products tab, what you have to do is you have to customize the price. So we are given, I'm going to go into one that is not carried by Keystone. So let's say Ace Engineering. So currently, you know, if the manufacturer gives us list, map, jobber, no one uses jobber anymore. That's old school. I'm old school. I've been in the industry a long time. So that didn't really work out for us, the jobber side. But for a manufacturer and a product not carried by Keystone, you are still going to have to go and do whatever setting you want for this product. So list, map, or custom price. But now let's take a product that is carried by Keystone. And that's, you know, you can see that by toggling or just looking right here as Keystone. So now this product is going to pop up a little different window. So it's always going to be enabled because we already set that up. But now this new piece here, product pricing, percentage above Keystone cost. All right, let me go into the Keystone homepage and see where you're going to do that. Okay, so if you're a Keystone account holder, you're going to go to your account center here. From here, you're going to go down, see this adjust retail pricing. And in this adjust retail pricing, the cool part is, so, you know, so Up until now, Interactive Garage is a software company, right? We do not sell you products. We sell you software. We don't sell products at all. We sell you software. We've never had the ability to go ahead and do some sort of pricing increase because we don't know what your cost is on stuff. We don't sell that to you. So this partnership with Keystone was a big part of it, was to get the ability so you can go into your admin and do a pricing on a percentage type basis. Well, we don't sell product to you again, so there was no percentage we could do. Percentage above or below MAP, percentage above or below MSRP. We looked at all those things and it just didn't really work out as far as, you know, doing it in a simple manner. So going back to this Keystone piece, so Keystone has the ability to, you know, this is per your account. So we're going to need your account number, and I'll go over to that in a second. But you can blanket anything and everything that you purchase from Keystone. You can do a blanket cost of whatever percentage you want. Hitting that button right there will make it so every product you purchase from Keystone is now blanketed at 38% above your cost. Or, like I've done some samples down here, because, hey, I'm not a one and done take guy on a video, so I've messed around a few times. But so what I've done is in supplier, you know, you can click and scroll down and see all the different suppliers that they have. So let's take Weston, for example, right? One of our manufacturers too. So what you can do is sit there and say, on Weston, I want to be a little bit more competitive, or the market is more like a 28% above cost, or however you're going to determine this. But now in Weston, you can sit and say, I want everything Weston priced at 28% above my cost. So that's your cost that you buy Weston at. Really cool. Within that, you can also, so let's select Weston again. So within Weston, what they're going to do is they know the series of their bumpers, toolboxes, or, you know, let's go with, you know, the HDX line, or, well, let's just, where's their HDX line? R7 series of side steps. So you can even go as specific and say, in this R7 series, no matter what part number or application it's for, any R7 series, we want to sell that at a 24%, you know, 52%, whatever it is. But we're going to go ahead and put this on here, and it adds it to your interactive garage. So we've got a blanketed margin for anything I don't have down here listed. We've got a specific manufacturer piece here that you've indicated, and you can quickly change that, you know, that Weston one, if I want to be a little bit more aggressive, you can do that. Just hit update, boom. So it changes it. So that was a huge piece, right? I mean, just right there, yes, you were going to have to spend some time in your Keystone admin to do this piece, but it's a lot less clicks going down the road than what you've had to do in your interactive garage admin. So feature number one, huge, right? So how do we get to this level? So if you don't already have a Keystone account, we're going to help you get that Keystone account. There's some forms to fill, some trade references, you know, probably everything that you're used to if you've signed up with any other WD or manufacturer direct. Then automatically, because you're an interactive garage licensees, you're going to get bumped up to their premium account status. That premium account status actually comes to others with a lot of stipulations, or a couple stipulations. You know, you have to meet a certain amount of sales every month, or you pay a monthly fee to be that premium status. So we're getting that waived for everybody on Interactive Garage for a trial period of 1 year. What that's going to do is they're going to look at your account, and, you know, after a year, hey, we're obviously, the idea is to push more sales through Keystone on this program. So our partnership is a two-way partnership. But then Keystone is now going to give, you have an account number. So again, let's go back. If you already have an account number, we're going to send you a document to sign off that we can get your price file. That price file is seen by one person in Interactive Garage, and all we're doing is taking that price file and cross-meshing it with your Interactive Garage admin price file and letting that go live. So everything that you just saw that I did on that screen share, for this account. Same thing that you will do, you'll adjust everything that you want at a percentage above your cost pricing. So that account file that we get will automatically get put into your two URLs, your website URL and your display stand, or whatever however you display Interactive Garage at your physical location. The other thing that you're going to get, sorry, I'm going to transition back over, is, so if I go from my account center here to, we're going to go to my Keystone homepage, and I'm going to launch Interactive Garage off my Keystone homepage. So the current Keystone homepage does have a free version of Interactive Garage. It's got set manufacturers, it's got set pricing. It's just like being on the Interactive Garage demo on our homepage that you can use for free. So what you're going to get also with this upgrade is your logo will be here, just like it is on your program now. And what you can do is, let's put a bumper on here from ADD. I like to pick on them, great company. Let's add it to your cart. So from your Keystone frame set, if you're in front of a customer and you are putting products on vehicles, you can, customer says, yep, let's do it. Let's pull that trigger. You can add it right to your cart, hit checkout, and that product's coming. That product is coming to you. So huge, huge piece right here that we had to do integration on, that is, again, another feature of you being a part of Interactive Garage and wanting to be a part of this other partnership, or this partnership that we have with them on getting your account file. So one-click to add to cart, awesome feature if you're in front of your customer and you're doing it that way. But again, the main one that we really worked hard on for you as our licensees is that ability to price all your products better, quicker, easier. So you have one admin that you're going to go into on Keystone and do all your pricing. You have the other admin through Interactive Garage for any vehicles that get added. If you want to add your labor pricing into that, into your file, that is not transferred to Keystone, and the vendors really don't have a labor rate and time suggestion, so you still have to do that. But this piece alone of doing this partnership with Keystone and getting your account is the one that we're really excited about. So no additional fees for you. It's just going to take a little bit of time. You need to send me, Ryan at Interactive Garage, an email that you want this. I will send you a document that you have to fill out that's giving us access to your account number that is going to give us your account file of just your pricing. Once all that is done, there's probably a 5 to 10 day window that the pricing will go into your program. And then as soon as you log on to your Interactive Garage admin, when you see that icon, that is when your program is ready to go and get it customized through that eKeystone Account Center. So I'm sure there's questions. I'm hoping you watch this. It's a long video, but it does explain what this partnership is going to do for our current Interactive Garage accounts. And we have a lot going forward. So if you're going to the SEMA show, we are in booth 21249. That is the Keystone Automotive booth. It is right on the other side of the wall from Ford, right across from the NASCAR booth. Great location in the Central Hall. So please come visit me if you want to talk about it. Call me on the phone if you have additional questions. Hit me up with that email, ryan@interactivegarage.com, if you want this all enabled. Don't know why you wouldn't want it, because again, the biggest burden that I hear about every week from the guys and gals that are licensees has to do with that, our admin. So this is a huge piece to sort of eliminate a lot of time and effort that you're gonna have to put into your pricing. And look at the distribution partner that we just teamed up with, Keystone Automotive, all the different warehouses that they have from coast to coast, their delivery schedule, the ability to get parts to you within a day to two. I mean, come on, Keystone, this was the best thing for us to do, and we've got a lot more coming down the road. So thanks for tuning in. Any questions, please give me a call, or Ryan@interactivegarage.com. See you later.